Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about the very important thing, that is scholarships. If you are a student in India and looking for financial help, then you must know about a website known as Buddy4Study. It's one of the biggest platforms in India where you can find scholarships that match your profile. Whether you are in a school, college or pursuing your higher educations, you will find options here. It brings government, corporates, and national scholarships all into one place. Let me quickly show you how you can find scholarship using that website. In order to access Buddy4Study website, first of all open the browser. It can be any browser like Chrome, Firefox, it can be anything. So after opening your browser, just hit onto the website Buddy4Study, buddy4study.com, and hit enter. So this is the website. You can see for scholarship section you have to click on the scholarships. This is the interface you can find, and before applying to any of these scholarships you have to register to the Buddy4Study website by giving your personal details. After creating the account, you can apply for any of the scholarships that are listed under this website. So for filtering and categorizing based on your study, you can use this left tab here. If you want to have scholarships after your 10th, then select class 11th, and you can also sort by selecting country and gender, religion, state and course, etc. So after sorting all of this, you will get the live scholarships count here and upcoming scholarships on the next tab. So in this way you can access all the scholarships, and if you want to apply, just click on it. You can check all the eligibility criterias. If you are eligible for the scholarship, then you can directly click on apply. So here also, before applying, it will ask a window for registering to Buddy4Study website. So in this way, after creating an account in this website, you can directly apply for any of the scholarships. Thanks for watching. Meet you in another video.